Hi there, my name is Mark Ebinger, Executive Producer of Essential Oil Television. In this video, I'm going to explain what essential oils are and how we can benefit from using them. Before I get started on some of the details, let's hear from a mom who is very thankful to have discovered essential oils.
Hey guys, Nikki Holland here, and I wanted to talk to you today about a testimony that I have with Young Living Essential Oils when my young daughter was battling a skin condition. So I looked for something natural. My research led me to Young Living Essential Oils. I'm happy to say that she no longer has this skin condition on a regular basis. So it's amazing. I love them. I will continue to use them on my children and on myself.
So what are essential oils? Essential oils are liquid aromatics distilled from plants, trees, and shrubs. Lavender essential oil, for example, is distilled from the flower of the plant. Frankincense is distilled from the tree's resin, and lemon essential oil is distilled from the rind of the fruit. Essential oils provide important benefits to the plants, such as attracting or repelling insects, sealing wounds, and preventing infection. And because essential oils are compatible with the human body, we are able to benefit from them without disturbing the body's natural balance. Essential oils have a special makeup that gives them the ability to penetrate human cell membranes and be quickly distributed throughout the entire body in just a matter of minutes. Once inside the body, essential oils can aid in the natural detoxification process, such as breaking up undigested food and toxins. In addition to detoxification, essential oils help support the body's natural immune and digestive systems, as well as the body's natural response to stress. Let's hear a quick testimonial from Kristen, who has a story about using an essential oil blend called Stress Away.
Hey everyone, I'm Kristen Finley. I'm a homeschool mom of 4, and we've been using oils for about 7 years. So the first time I ever used Stress Away, we were unpacking in our new house. We had just got out of the military, and usually the hubby and I, we balance each other out. If he's stressed, I'm calm, and if I'm calm, he's stressed. This particular day, we were both kind of on the edge, and I just was like, we need to put that stress away to the test and see if it really does what it says it's going to do. So we both applied it to our wrist and inhaled it, and I went back to the bathroom and was unpacking, and he stayed in the kitchen. We came back about 20 minutes, we came back together and nothing was wrong, so we didn't even realize that it had worked. We were both calm as a cucumber. So I just really love that about oils.
Essential oils are also great for the skin. Here's a quick testimonial from Jennifer about using frankincense.
Hi there, my name is Jennifer, and I've been using Young Living's frankincense on my skin for years. I love how it helps to improve the texture and appearance of my skin, and having beautiful skin in my late 40s really helps boost my confidence.
A quick note about quality. You will find many types of essential oils online and at the local stores, but keep in mind that the quality of the essential oil is directly connected to the result. If you purchase essential oils that have been distilled from plants grown in an herbicide and insecticide-rich environment, you can expect those toxins to be present in the oil, which could result in increased toxicity to the body and little, if any, result. There are 3 easy ways to use essential oils: aromatically, topically, and internally. To use them aromatically, simply add a few drops to a high-quality diffuser, turn it on, and the oil will be safely dispersed into the air. You can also put a drop in your hands or on your wrists, rub them together, and inhale the aroma. To use essential oils topically, simply apply a few drops to the desired area and massage it in. To use essential oils internally, you can simply add a drop or 2 to a glass of water or your food. You can also add essential oils to an empty vegetable capsule and take it with water. These were just some of the basics about what essential oils are and how we can benefit from them. Are you ready to learn about the most common essential oils families are using and how to get them into your home? Get back with the person who sent you this video and ask them to show you the best way to get started. Have a great week.